Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of area and perimeter. This is standard 4.5D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 9 off the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have the perimeter of a square, and we need to use that to find the area. All right, well, the big clue for us is it's a square. So we can draw a square here, right? Four sides, all the same length, and the P equals 40. So the whole perimeter equals 40. Well, I know that I can find the perimeter, right? If I just add the side plus the side plus the side plus the side, right? Perimeter of any shape is just all the sides added together. Instead of just a repeated addition, if I want, I can think of it like 4s, because there's four s's, right? So it's 4 times s, or s plus s plus s plus s. But remember, you can write a repeated addition problem. You can change that into a multiplication problem. So 4s is how I find perimeter. And I was already told that my perimeter equals 40. So really what I'm looking for now is how big is each side? If I can figure out how long each side is, that's going to help me with my area. Well, 4 times what? 4 times my something, my unknown side. I'm going to replace my s with a box to show me that it's unknown equals 40. And hopefully we're thinking at that point, oh, it's 10, right? 4 times 10, that's a multiplication fact, so that would work. So my side equals 10, and let's see if this works. If I do 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so my side length equals 10. That just helps me figure out what the area is. And if I ever get stuck here, remember, we do have reference materials, right? And we can look to see, and you see the perimeter of the square is at the very top, right there. It says P equals 4s. The area of a square is going to be side times side. So we need to have side times side. But since I know the side length, I can actually use my connect line feature here to draw an actual square. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 down. And let's do 10 across. 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, so I'm going to complete this here. Remember, when we're talking about area, we are counting imaginary squares inside the two-dimensional shape, and we are, in this case, they're all centimeter squares, okay? We're counting how many squares there are. We're thinking of it as an array, but since I've got this connect line feature, if I really wanted to, I could actually count the squares, right? So let me change to a different color, and we can see here that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? We got 10 in this row. And then we've got another 10 in this row. And if we think of it like an array, we are just going to have a whole bunch of 10s, right? And if you want to skip count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, you should end up with 100 because you have 10 rows of 10 because you've got each side is 10. So think of it like an array. 10 rows or 10 groups of 10. So that's going to get you 100. And if we get our unit here, square centimeters, you can either write it like cm with a little 2, or you can write it like they do here, square cm. That means you literally have 100 little squares inside this, and that is how you find the area of this. And so we see that right here, right? So we've got 100 square centimeters. So we needed to find the side length first. Once we found the side length of 10, it became pretty easy to figure out my area, right? It's just the side times the side. So that's just our 10 times 10. So our answer here is going to be C. The area in square centimeters is 100 square centimeters.